What do you believe about depression? Do you believe depression is a real thing?
I believe that feeling depressed is real. I don't believe depression as a clinical disease is real, no.
Really?
Correct.
You don't believe people can be clinically depressed?
I think PTSD is very real. Unfortunately, I have some friends who suffer from that. I know that feeling depressed is real. I believe that the #1 power you have against these things are trying to take control of your own mind and affecting your own life. I believe that it's not healthy to hand over all your power and believe that depression is an outside disease that you can't affect. I know that when I've had difficult periods in my life, and also many of my friends, like I've said, suffered from PTSD and been through terrible things. I've lived a very difficult life, and I know people who have, that the things that made them feel better is when they woke up and said, you know what, I'm not gonna allow this to damage me anymore. I'm gonna take responsibility. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna fight this as hard as I can.
When I'm sitting there and saying to men, look, life as a man is shit. It's always been shit. It's never been good. When men wake up and say, I'm depressed and life is hard and I'm sad and I'm struggling right now, I say, okay, throughout history, men have always struggled. Happiness is for children and women. Name a time in history it was better to be a man. Was it better to be a man in World War II? Was it better to be a man on the Titanic? Was it better to be a man in the Napoleonic Wars? Was it better to be a man when you were sitting in Vienna and the Mongol horde arrived, ready to decapitate any male and enslave all the females? When's it ever been good to be a man? Building the pyramids, was that fun? It's always sucked. The only time being a man ever is good is if you become an exceptional man, which is even something feminists admit, because feminists sit and complain about men and say, well, men have this, men have that, but they're talking about 2% of men.
Fascinating.
They don't talk about all men. They say men have the best jobs. 2% of men have the best jobs. Most men carry trash. So you're talking crap. So everyone accepts that the best possible human experience that exists is the top 2% of men. Anything below that sucks as a man. You're better off being a chick. So what I say to men is, look, life's hard, it's always gonna be hard, it's always gonna suck, it always has. The only way to get out is to become excellent and perform at a level where your echelon is so high that you get to live this brand new experience. You need to become strong and smart and interesting and charismatic. You need to become rich, powerful, well-known, connected. You need to do it. I think that as a man, your happiness comes from feeling respected over feeling loved. And the reason perhaps you're happy now is because you have more respect for yourself because of the decisions you're making, and you have self-respect.
Yeah.
And I think that a lot of men, even if they have self-respect, if nobody else respects them, they're struggling. I think male depression can be fixed with respect.
I want to tap into depression. What's your thoughts on that?
I think that it's massively overdiagnosed. I say depression isn't real because I speak in absolutes. I think the idea of feeling depressed is real. I don't feel like it's a clinical disease that you catch from the sky and it can't be fixed. I feel like depression is feedback, pain is feedback, and your mind and body is telling you something must change. And if you make those changes, you will feel happier. I don't buy into the idea that it is a disease. I think it's situational, and you must change your situation and your actions and your decisions to feel better. And that's why I say it's not real. It's not a disease. I do not believe in depression. That's just who I am as a person. I don't believe in it. I do not believe in things that take power away from me. So, and people sit there and they try very hard to convince me it's real, which is actually quite interesting because it's always usually depressed people who sit there and try very hard to defend this idea. If you're so scared, if depression's so terrible, why are you sticking up for it? Why are you fighting so hard to convince me it's such a powerful force? Why shouldn't you be doing the opposite? Shouldn't you be listening to me? Whose team are you on? Like, do you want to be depressed? Like, it's insanity. These people who are so desperate to push this idea. Said this many times before. I don't believe in things that take away power from me. I don't care if depression is real. I don't care if I'm wrong. I don't believe in something that takes away power from me because I can't become depressed if I don't believe in depression. And that allows me to shield my mind from the idea of being a depressed person. I can feel depressed temporarily, but I can never become a depressed person because it doesn't exist. You can lock me in a Romanian jail cell for 93 days with cockroaches. I will not be depressed. I will feel a little bit sad, of course, but I will never become a depressed person because I don't believe in it. And when I say this, depressed people are like, no, depression's real, it's ruined my life, it's taken everything from me, depression's real, depression's real. I said, you sound like it's promotional team. You sound like it's
their
PR
God.
team.
It's their God. They're worshiping it.
You're worshiping it because it gives you a cure-all excuse for your monumental failures, as opposed to waking up and going, you know what, maybe I'm a fuck up. Nothing to do with depression. Maybe I've just been fucking up. Maybe depression isn't real and I've just been fucking up and I should fix a few of these things.
What have I been reaping?
Absolutely. And you'd be amazed how depression will lose power over your life and lose its ability to destroy your life if you stop giving it so much respect and just wake up and say, let me fix X, Y, and Z. What can I control? Let's pretend I'm completely wrong, right? We can look at situational depression like you just described. We can talk about brain imbalance and chemical imbalance. We can talk about clinical depression that you get and it's chronic and there's nothing we do about it, whatever. Let's pretend all these things are completely true. The best option, the best thing to do is still to get up, be an adult, control your emotions, be stoic, and do the things you're supposed to do day after day. Laying in bed and doing nothing is never going to be the best option. The best option is still to go to the gym, to work hard, to run your business, to be successful. So it doesn't matter. We're talking about the different positions on the chessboard. But if the rules of the game remain the same, regardless of the position you're still trying to win, you still have to do the same things. So does it even matter at this point? If you come along and say he's depressed because of X and he's depressed because of Y and he's depressed because of Z, and the answer to all of them is still the same thing, then I don't give a fuck why you're depressed. All I know, what I will state as a matter of fact, is this world is hyper competitive, especially as a man. Most men are walking through life and they don't realize that it's constant competition. I was driving here, even as I was driving here, I was looking out the window and I was looking at all these people just walking around. One of them had a fucking croissant. One of them was dressed like a dickhead because it's London. He thinks he fucking looks cool. This is a fucking moron.
We've all seen them.
Yeah, moron. Some of the dude just talking shit on the phone. Some other guy with headphones in, waiting to be fucking murdered, wouldn't even hear it coming. And all these NPCs, I'm just looking at them going, do they realize they're in endless, constant competition? Every single pound they want, someone else wants. Every single girl they want, someone else wants. There are people like me out here. I will destroy, you could get all 30 of them in a room and I will sit by myself and absolutely annihilate them in any single metric. And they're just sitting there just fucking floundering and wandering through life unaware of how competitive the world is.
Well, and whinging how unfair it is.
And how unfair it is. And this is my point. If the world is truly that competitive, you do not have time to be depressed because it's a non-competitive mind state. You could be depressed for X, Y, Z, whatever. I'm not depressed. And I want the money you want, and I want the girl you want, and I want the status you want, and the car you want, and the house you want. And I'm gonna get it, and you're fucking not. This is the thing about society and MSM and all this garbage and the Matrix. They try and convince you, don't worry if you're being a loser because people feel sorry for you and you'll get attention for it and you'll be okay in the end. And it's all this temporary fixes of dopamine by saying, I'm sad, don't worry bro, you'll be okay. But it's bullshit. They don't care long term. The world doesn't care. Nobody really cares. Chicks don't care. Business doesn't care. You are going to fail. It's kind of interesting because everyone pretends they give a fuck, but nobody does. Especially women. And I know I get attacked for women, but women truly don't give a fuck. If you ask a woman the kind of man she wants, she will never say depressed or sad, ever. She wants a man who is ultra capable, ultra competent. I've literally had women say to me, you know what I love being around you? I'm like, what? I don't have to think. I'm like, what do you mean? Because I just turn up and like, we just walk in the hotel and everyone, staff do anything we want and the jet's just on the runway and we just land and I'm in this beautiful place and I don't even know where I am and I get to just turn my brain off and it's great. Like, they want someone who is fun and spontaneous and charismatic and successful. They don't have time for sad dudes. They don't care. So the world doesn't care. The world has never given a shit about sad men. So if you're gonna sit there and self-diagnose yourself as a sad man, you're gonna have a shit life and nobody's ever gonna give a fuck and you're gonna perpetually lose forever. And that is your decision. I am so scared of being that person. The idea of that terrifies me to the point where I don't even want to accept that as a reality that can possibly exist. I don't give a shit what happens to me in my life. I don't care how bad it is. I don't care if the worst, most heinous things I can possibly imagine happen to me. I know that my sadness, my depression will be temporary because I will never stay a loser. It's against my creed. It's not in my DNA.
I disagree that if you feel depressed, I disagree that you cannot affect it and change your life and take control and fix yourself and feel happier. I disagree with that.
Do you think
I refuse to accept that there are people out there who cannot become happy, contented individuals. I refuse to accept we live in a world where God has created people who, no matter how hard they work and how good their life becomes, can't be happy. I don't accept that. I accept that the universe is a very giving place and that God loves all of us. And if you try your best and you work hard, you can become a better person. When I say depression isn't real, I'm saying that because I don't believe in things that can take away power from me. If I believed in depression, I would have been depressed in jail. But I can't be depressed if I don't believe in it. If you don't believe in ghosts, how can you be haunted? You have two people in a haunted house. One believes in ghosts, one doesn't. There's a knock in the night. One wakes up, calls an exorcist, is terrified, looks for a ghost. The other guy doesn't believe in ghosts. Knock in the night, goes back to sleep. It's the belief in the ghost that gives it the power. If I don't believe in depression, I believe in feeling depressed. Sure, we're humans, we have emotions. Sometimes we feel depressed, sometimes we feel happy. I don't believe in the idea of becoming a depressed person who has depression. I don't believe in that. I don't think that's possible for me. So if I don't believe in it, how can it happen? I don't believe in depression. So why would I not adopt the mindset that makes me the most capable predator I can possibly be? Why not adopt a mindset that makes me as competent and as fearsome as possible? If you have to install software in your own mind, why would I not install software that makes me capable of not only driving a Bugatti and flying on private jets, but sitting in a Romanian dungeon covered in cockroaches? I need to be able to do all of it. So why would I believe in something that made me incapable? I don't believe in depression because I think that even the belief in and of itself, when you feel depressed, you'll start to consider, maybe I have depression. When you go see a psychiatrist who tells you you have depression, when they want you on pills. It's the belief that goes down the spiral. If I feel sad, I go, I'm depressed today, I'll be fine tomorrow. I do not believe it's a disease that you catch from the sky and you cannot affect. I believe that no matter what happens, I believe you have control of your own mind and you can fight against it. I believe if you change your circumstances in your life, you may feel different. I'll give you a quick example. I had a guy who emailed me saying he was clinically depressed and he was going to kill himself. I obviously am not a psychiatrist, I'm not a doctor. I told him, because I replied to my emails. I said, have you been to a psychiatrist? He said, yes, I'm clinically depressed. I've been on these pills, this amount of time. I'm on antidepressants, it doesn't work. I said, I don't know what to say to you besides this. And he said he lost his girlfriend, that's why I became clinically depressed. I said, listen, go to the gym, get a six-pack first. Once you've got a six-pack, email me again. If you still feel like killing yourself, I don't know what else to say to you. But I'd say, strong body is a strong mind, go train. He went, he started sending me progress pictures, emailing me him getting in better shape, and eventually got a six-pack. He's now a professional bodybuilder. And he said, I can't believe I was considering that. I feel so much better, etc. The doctor who was telling him he was clinically depressed and couldn't cure it, he started taking control of his own life, and now he felt better. When I said depression wasn't real, the number of people who would attack me defending depression, this is what I didn't understand. Right. You say depression isn't real, but depression's ruined my life, and it's super real, and it ruined my life, and I lost my marriage. I'm like, if I told you it wasn't real, you should be coming to me saying, tell me how it's not real. Please help me with my depression. Why are you trying to convince me that it's real? Why are you sticking up for it?
And why are you defending depression?
And why would I adopt the thinking of someone who's sad? Why would you're gonna convince me to take your worldview. You just told me your wife left you, you're fat, and you wanna kill yourself. And you want me to sit here and go, with my perfect life, and go, you know what, I wanna think like this guy.
All right. Welcome. Everybody on this beautiful stream. We are here back with another beautiful stream on the YouTube for pre-learning to learning session. And man, believe me, I think electricity problem is now solved in Pakistan. So I am here on the live stream for like next 2-3 hours. If we don't have the problem with the electricity, I think I'm on the stream, man. I am on the stream. So we have 1 minute left for the candle to close. We have 1 minute left for the 15-minute candle to close. We have 1 minute left for the 30-minute candle to close. We have 1 minute left for the fuck off candle close. So 4-hour candle is closed now. So if we look at let's see. So 4-hour candle just closed. So and also we have daily. Previous daily closed strong bearish, extremely strong bearish. So what does that mean? That means we have to go down. Alright, so if we have to go down, what does that mean? That means is that mean we only have to go down? No, man, it doesn't mean we only have to go down. It means we have to go down, we have to go up. We can go either way. We have to look at the lower time frame for the opportunities. So 4-hour candle close bearish. As long as we don't break the low of the 4-hour candle, we are pushing up. And one more thing, if we break the low of the 4-hour candle, that will be the onion play setup on the 4-hour time frame. And I think it is like 100 pip range, maybe 116 pips range. So that means we should be good. Yeah, I think we should be good. So like what I said, I always said, man, whenever you have a good big range, you don't have to force the trades. You just have to wait for your setups. Whenever your setup shows up, just execute on your setups. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame is just as clean as, I don't know, 30-minute time frame. Alright, so we can adjust our zones here. So this zone is very clear, and we can also take a buy here, but I think this is the lowest probability buy. Yeah, that will be the lowest probability buy. If we can wait for a good buy like above this level, then we should be good. And this is also not too bad, man. This is not too bad. This buy is not too bad. But we don't have the bottom wick for the 4 hour candle, and I think we don't have to go up. We have to go up for the in the first hour or in the second hour of the 4 hour candle. Then we will eventually create a resistance, and then we will go down. Yeah, then we will go down. And alright, so we are agree on what? We are agree on this. We will take a buy above this level without any doubt, without any problem, without any hesitation. We are looking for buys above this area. So that's it. Very simple. So just wait a minute. Let me see the Forex battery. What do we have on the Forex battery? Alright, so we have all the yellow folders. Nothing is major. Alright, so that's it. And we are agree on this. And we are also agree on this. If we can get the closure below this range, we have this 40 pip range. So we can also take advantage of this 40 pip range. So that means we are agree on this. We will take a sell below this area. Below this area. Now we agree on two things. We know where is our potential sells. We know where is our potential buys. Alright. And one thing is, if one of the candle can come down, break the low of this candle, buy this candle, because this is the 4 hour candle, previous 4 hour candle. This is the low of the previous 4 hour candle. If we can break the low of the 4 hour candle and come up close below this range on the 30-minute time frame, on the 15-minute time frame, like look at this. Every time we come down to this level, this 4 hour low, we just come up. So that is why I am thinking, like, if we can get the closure, if the candle break the low and we can get the closure here, we can go for a sell. That will be like 14-15 pip range, 14 pip or 15 pip range. But if we can get the closure below this range, man, then that will be the party time. We will do a party here. And this is absolute no trade range, because we have a minor area here. We have this minor area here above this level. Man, we have good range, like 22 pips. But if we see here, we have like 14-15 pip range. So nothing we do, we have here. So yeah, man, this is a good rejection, 22 23 pips away. And so yeah, let's done the analysis first on the gold, then we will go towards the, oh, where is the potential sells, potential buys. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and potential sells are here, potential potential buys are here. No trade. Oh, what the hell is this? No. Oh, again, man. I just delete this shit, man. Fuck off. Alright. Let me take this. No trade range. And we know one thing, that is our potential buys are above this area. Our no trade range is this range, and that will be the potential sells area. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame and look at this, man. 4-hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. So I have my potential cells below this area, and man, if we can get the potential, if we can get the closure below this range, then I will definitely take this trade, and I will try to secure like as much pips as we can. So this is a thing that we will definitely go for it. And potential buys are here. Then we have to analyze the GJ. Alright, so this is our no trade range, potential buys, potential sells. So that will be the TP for the sells. That will be the, let me have, this is the break-even point, and this is the partial TP. Let me go to the white color. Let me go to the parameters, common text. So this is break-even point, and this is also, this can be the partial TP, because we will trade like counter trend trade. Previous daily is bearish, so we have to look for sells. I am still more inclined towards the sells. I'm not inclined towards the buys. So let's, oh man, look at the lines. We have too much lines here. So 15 minutes. Oh wow, beautiful. That was good. So let's remove this. Let's take this to this level. Remove this. Let's remove this. And let's go to the left hand side and see what do we have on the left hand side. We are at a resistance. If we can go more, we have this resistance. Above this level we are good. Above this level we have like 47, 45 pip range. So yeah, man, like if we can, yeah, if you want to take a buy there, you can go for it, but I have no buys here. Yeah, man. If we look at the left hand side is crazy, extremely crazy. So look at this rejection. We have resistance area here, resistance area here. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute is telling the same story, and yeah, I think we should be good if we can get the closure above this range. And how much is this range? Like 17 pips. Yeah, risky, very risky. So we have. So I am looking for potential buys above this area, but I am also very tough, man. Very, very tough. It is not easy. It is tough. So UJ, let's go to the UJ. So if we look at the left hand side on UJ, let's see. So same thing like GJ. Let's delete this. No business for this thing to here. So yeah, man, like if we can take a trade above this area, we have less than 10 pip range. Stop loss will be 17 pips. If anyone is looking for trade for like less than 1-to-1 risk to reward, you can go for it. But believe me, man, this is not worth it. Euro USD previous daily is bearish, so I'm not looking for buys. Gold. Let's focus on the gold. Let's focus on the gold and let's focus on the chat section. We don't have any chat yet. We have 3 people who are watching this beautiful stream, but let me see how many likes do we have. We have 0 likes, absolute 0 likes. Guys, can you leave a like on the stream if you found this stream good, if you find this stream helpful to help you in your trading journey? Just leave a like, man. I think that would be good. I really appreciate if someone leave a like on the stream. I would really appreciate that person. Yeah, man, I would really appreciate that person if you give a like on the stream. So yeah, man, guys, leave a like on the stream. And look at this candle close with no wick at the top. No wick at the top. No wick at the top mean we don't have any trade here. And we already have no trade here, man. We already have no trade here. So for gold, we are looking for candle to close above this range. We are really looking for candle to close above this range. 30-minute time frame, yeah. And what I said, if you want, you can go for this trade for like 7-8 pips. Candle close with no wick at the top. You can close your trade. It's up to you. You can hold this trade, but for me there is nothing. This is I think, you know what, guys, let me, yeah, no trade range should be a little bigger, because you have to understand where we don't have to take the trade, where we have to take the trade. GJ close above this range, and we have left like 10 pip range. Stop loss would be 25 pips. Target area would be 10 pips. So it is not Yeah, it is not worth it for me. So today, man, I think we will get a trade on gold. And if we don't get a trade on gold, I am here on the stream for like 5-6 hours. Yeah, I can stay here on the stream, man. I can stay here on the stream for like 5-6 hours. And let me see the settings on my magic keys. Yeah, because we will take 1% risk on every trade. 1% risk on every trade. Simple is that. Let me set 1% risk. Gold, fixed money per trade. Okay, $50. That's it. GJ. Yeah, man. I think we can. I am more happy with the not with the fixed money. Fixed money should be like $50. $50 fixed money. And UJ, yeah, fixed money $50. $50 on every trade. That is 1%. That is 1%. And actually, you know what? I will risk $40 on the GJ and UJ, and I will risk $40 because we have to pay for commissions, we have to pay for the spreads, and $40, and sometimes we get slipped for like 1-2 pips. This is also case, like if we slip 2 pips we can also. And for gold I think, yeah, for gold I think $50 are good. So let's see if this candle can close above the range, man. I will definitely go for a buy. I would definitely go for a buy without any hesitation. This is the thing that I was looking for, man. This candle needs to close here in this area. Yeah, then we will have like 16-17 pip area for us. UJ. And one more thing is, if this candle can come down here and close above the range, either it close bullish or bearish, I'll go for the trade on UJ. That will be the trade for us. Yeah, that will be the 30-minute salary play for us. And 30-minute salary play, 17 pips stop loss, 10 pips break even area, and we have like 20 pips area. Yeah. So we have 10 minutes left for this candle to close. I said if you want you can go for this trade, because we don't have a good bottom wick for the, and that was the onion play setup. That was the onion play setup. Onion play setup. You have to keep your stop loss below this candle. 23 pips. 23 pips. Yeah, 1-to-1. But for me there was no trade for me. GJ, UJ. Yeah, man. If UJ, let's see. Oh, fuck, man. What the heck is this? If UJ can close above the range, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, man. Same thing on the 30-minute time frame, same thing on the 15-minute time frame, and I think we can move this shit to here. Yeah, move this shit to here. Yeah, man. If we can get if candle close like this, we will go for the trade on UJ. Gold, 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 gold. Gold, can you wait please for us? Yeah, there was no trade for me, man. For me, I think if this candle can close below the range, that will be the trade for me. And if it came all the way up, that is a little concerning for us. I think then, I don't know, man, but I think we will get a trade. Maybe on UJ, maybe on gold. Not feeling good for GJ below this level. Yeah. If we can, yeah, man. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not a good thing. UJ. If UJ can come down, yeah, man. This is it. This is it. Now all we want from UJ is to close above this range. All I want from UJ is to close above this range. And oh, what the heck is it? Oh, right. So let me. Oh, what, man? What? Oh, guys, let me pick the nodal of my magic keys, man. I didn't even put the nodal on the magic keys, and I was like, what the hell is this? Why this thing is not working? Alright, guys, so give me 1 minute. So, UJ is looking good. What I was doing, let me fix my magic key here. Let's see. You know what, guys? You guys are good. Connected. Yeah, man, it is connected. Let me so let me link this thing one more time, and if we can come out close above this range, I will definitely go for the trade. Yeah, we have 2 setups here for us. If we can get a top wick, we will. Fuck, man, no. Come down, man, come down. Don't do that. Oh, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Fuck off, man. Fucking shit. 35 is move, man. Shit. Oh shit, man. Crazy. Look how crazy is this. Last 10 minutes we moved like 35 pips. Extremely crazy. Extremely crazy. So let's see. Let's see what happened. So now in this case we need we need we need a bottom wick for the next candle, because so let me give you the reason why we need a bottom wick for the next candle, because we can't have a stop loss of like 40 pips. So that is why if the next candle can come down, create a bottom wick, then we should be good to go up. And if this candle can close above the range, I think this is also good opportunity for us. 16, 17 pip stop loss. Oh, hours. Let me see open folders. That is copy and magic key. Oh, it is working now. Now it is working. So what we need now, man, a bottom wick. Simply a bottom wick. We definitely need a bottom wick. Otherwise, I don't think so we will be good. Like, we need a bottom wick. And what is the candle high? 48.61. So we will have alright. So yeah, guys, all we need is a bottom wick. Yeah. Because we can't have our stop loss this candle 40 pips. Because we can't get a 40 pips here, so that is why. That is why I am saying that. Oh, we got a pullback. Oh, look at the 5-minute time frame. We need a really good bottom wick. Really good bottom wick. So we have like almost half minutes left for the candle to close. Yeah, half minute left for the candle to close. If this 5-minute candle can close bearish, that is good. Yeah, less than a half minute. And if this candle can close bearish, that means we will go down, retest this area to create a bottom wick. If we can come up, create a then came down, create a steeper bottom wick, then we will go for the trade. Oh, it opened with a gap. Oh shit, man. UJ definitely close below this range, even below this range. Even below this range. Like this is more looks like a sell. And gold, GJ doing nothing. Gold is pushing up without any reason. No bottom wick. If this candle can come down, create a bottom wick, I'll go for the trade. If this candle can come down, create a bottom wick, I'll go for the trade. But for now, nothing is for me. Nothing. Nothing is for me. Very difficult. Now this 5-minute candle, these two 5-minute candles moves like crazy movement in the market. Can we get a bottom wick? UJ, yeah, UJ may come down. So yeah. I have put my order, but man, unfortunately, we didn't got a bottom wick. If we can get a bottom wick, I think then I'll again place my buy stop there. But you know first, what we need first, man. We need a bottom wick. Man. So yeah, man, it is more like a sell now, not a buy. 5 pips stop loss and 20, 30 pips TP here. Stop loss is very small. Maximum 5 pips, 5 pips, 25 pips TP, 1 to 5 RR. Yeah, 1 to 5 RR. Oh shit, man. What was that? We still have no top wick. We still have no bottom wick. So no bottom wick for now. No bottom wick means we have no trade. No bottom wick means we have no trade. We have to wait, guys. We really have to wait. So look at this, what I said, man. That was a push towards the downside for 1 to 1. Yeah, can we get a bottom wick to retest this area? Or one more thing we can do here is to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. If this candle can came down, break its own low, I think that that would be good. That would be good. Man, this is what I wasn't looking for. I was looking for this candle to close here, and the next candle, this shit is to bottom wick and then push up, break the high, and came up. This is the thing that I was looking for. DJ is good. If DJ can come down with some sort of support here, we can go for a buy. UJ, actually we were looking for candle to close above this range for the 30-minute time frame, so we can take a buy. But did we got oh wow, got a bottom wick, but still very small bottom wick. I think we have to look for a big bottom wick. Or maybe what I said, man, if we just go up first, that means we have to go down. We have to go down. That means I said this, if this candle just shoot up, that means we are looking for potential sells below this area. Below this area on the 1 hour time frame. If you don't understand this, then it's up to you, man. But I said this based on my experience. If the candle, 4 hour candle opens on a bearish day and just shoot up, that means that candle has to go down. And this is what I am anticipating here. I'm not saying that I'm not looking for buys. I am still looking for buys, but this candle has to retest this area. Retest this area. If we can push down, retest this area, yeah, that will be good. And if this candle can close bearish below this range and the next candle close bullish above this range, then we can also go for a buy for like 20, 22 pips stop loss, 23 pips stop loss, or 22, 23 pips stop loss. If this candle can close bearish, and if it closes like this, then we will have to wait for 1 or 2 more candles to close. UJ, GJ, nothing. Euro USD. Look at this Euro USD. So, oh man, I'm feeling cold, man. So, yeah, nothing do we have on anything. We don't have any for now. Yeah, man, can we get a bottom wick? It seems like we don't have bottom wick yet, but we really wanna take a bottom wick. Gold tried to came down, but I don't know why it is not coming down to this level, or if it can close below the range, that will be a fake out, and if the next candle can close above the range, that will be a breakout. And if that thing happens, that will be the extra confirmation, because we break the low one more time, but we still didn't tap into this area. So so that means we have a breakout on the fake out and that will be the extra confirmation. Let's remove this break-even point and let's remove this point. So yeah, can we tap into this area, or can we close below the range? That is the biggest question. UJ, can you... Man, UJ actually... So... UJ, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Nothing. GJ, nothing. Gold, nothing. Yeah, I really love to see this candle to close below the range. And if someone wanna take a sell, if the next candle first came up, then came down, then you can also go for sells. And this is the rejection area. You also have to understand, this is the rejection area, and we are rejecting from the rejection area. Rejection area. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks here. Look at this wick here. Look at this wick. Just what I said, man. What I said. We may close below the range, and I will note. And look at this candle high, and look at this candle high. So strong rejection area. This is a strong rejection area, and background noise is disturbing. Yeah, man, I know this. It is disturbing, but bro. Yeah, from the next week I am buying one. I bought a new mic, but the problem is I can't connect that mic to my PC, and in my city there is no connector available for that mic, and I have ordered connector from online shopping store, and when I'll get my connector, I'll use that mic, and man, that would be sick. That is very good, extremely good mic. I test that mic, battery is good, and I think, yeah, that is good. So let's see, guys, let's see. Background noise is disturbing. I know this, bro. I know this. And today I am here for like, maybe I am here for a whole day, man. For the whole day. All we need is a trade. If we don't get the trade, we are here on the stream. If we don't get the trade, we are here on the stream. No doubt about that. We need a trade, man. We need one trade. We need at least one trade every day. At least one trade. If I have to stay on the live stream for 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, no problem. We need at least one trade. At least one trade. Yeah, man. We can win the trade, we can lose the trade, but we need a trade. And so what I said, man, this candle can close below the range and the next candle can close above the range, then we should be good. And I said our stop loss will be 24, 25 pips, and we are heading towards the thing that I said before. We are heading towards the thing that I said before. So yeah, man, we have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait for our setup. We are not here to force the trades, but we need a trade for today. At least one trade. We are looking for at least one trade. If we don't get, hey, go listen. If we don't get the trade today, I'm here on the stream for the rest of the day. I need a trade, man. You have to understand. You have to give respect to my feelings. If this candle can close with no wick at the bottom, next candle has to close above the range. Alright, so candle close with no wick at the bottom. Yeah, man, candle close with no wick at the bottom. Candle close with no wick at the bottom. Can the next candle can close above the range? This is the biggest question. Can next candle can close above the range? Maybe it can. Maybe it can. Oh. Wow. That was anticipated. I'm not surprised. This is what I said, man. If this candle can close with no wick at the bottom, this candle may close above the range. If this candle can close bullish, that will be the extra confirmation for us to take this trade. If this candle can close bullish on the 30-minute time frame. And one thing we know is it will definitely close bullish. If we can get the closure above the range, it will definitely close bullish on the 15-minute time frame. But if we can get a closure, bullish closure, that will be the extra confirmation. So let's see, man. Let's see how we can. What is the background noise? Bro, I don't even know what is this noise. Actually, I bought heavy mic, heavy David Stan, bro. I bought this mic, this whole setup, like sound card, like phantom, what we call this, phantom power supply. But I don't know why we have noise from the background. So I am going to buy a new mic for my streaming, and I think that's my gone, because I have nothing with this mic. It is like just a shit, not worth it. And I was also talking with the seller. He was saying, no man, he's not giving a reply, and I'll take a legal action. I think I have to take a legal action, because man, we don't have to give a free money to everyone. This is the thing that we have to understand. We don't have to give free money to everyone, to anyone, not to everyone, to anyone. We can't give a free money. So I'll take a legal action, I think. Yeah, after this stream, I'll take a legal action, and let me find cybercrime, Pakistan. Yeah, I'll take a legal action. National response. What the hell? Cybercrime means government Pakistan. So public information, wings about us. So let's go to the about us. What's that? Investigation into socialized and organized crime, immigration and anti-smuggling, personal identification to government, anti-human trafficking, counter-terrorism, money laundering, automated fingerprint identification, cybercrime and plastic money fraud, intellectual property rights, Interpol, National Criminal Database, forensic and technical support, training and capacity building. Man, the Pakistan Social Police Establishment, the Department from I think federal investigation. Oh man, this is FIA, man. This is FIA, not a cyber crime, man. Yeah, this is FIA. Yeah, where is the cyber crime? National Response Center for Cyber Crime. Alright. Pakistan, citizen portal, cyber crime, electronic crimes. Yeah, electronic crimes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'll definitely file a report today against the cybercrime. Social networking. Oh, yeah. In Pakistan, range from damage to overpopulation. Yeah, online shopping. I got it. Online shopping. Man, yeah, man. Today I'll definitely. All right, So today, leisure prices, financial fraud, cyber stalking, yeah, today I'm gonna file a so guys, leave a like on the stream. That should be good. And man, listen, I am here for today for like whatever how much time I have to be here on the stream. I'll be here with you, and I am man definitely telling you we are here to take the trade. Yeah man, I know sound is disturbing bro. Just bear me for 2 days. Just bear me for 2 days. Not more than 2 days. Just for 2 days. Guys. You know what? Let me do one thing here. You know what? I can put a text here. Where is the text? Text here. Alright, where we can, guys. Sorry for background noise. Just bear me. Just bear. Oh, bear. Let me see one thing. Bear. Reach. Bear. What the fuck is this? Just bear this for 2 days. Just bear this for 2 days. Yeah, that's it, man. Just bear this for 2 days. From next week, we should sound should be good. From next week, sound will be good. Okay. So, alright. Oh fuck. What the heck is this? Yeah. I'm trying to have this on the screen. I don't know how we will. Oh fuck man. You know what? Let me go to the properties. Alright. And color should be. Where is the color? The color should be red. Like color. Color should be oh, still have the same color. Again, let me again go to the background noise. And I want this color. What the hell is this? Background color. We don't need a background color. Text transform. And we have 5 minutes left for the candidate close. I think now you can see. And one more thing that I can do here is to alright, that's it. Where is that chat? Alright, so let me see. Oh, beautiful. 30 minutes is pushing up. Beautiful. This is the man. Now you can understand from where this thing come from. This thing come from the experience. If you can go back and you can see, I said this, if this candle can close bearish and the next candle can close bullish above this range, that should be good for me. And then I said, when this candle close with no wick at the bottom, I said, man, this candle close with no wick at the bottom. Now there is the highest probability we will go up and close above the range. And look at the 30-minute time frame. What else you want, man? What else you want, man? This is the thing that you have to understand. This is the thing that comes from the experience. These things can't come from if you say like, man, I'm doing this and I want this, all this experience in 2-3 days. No, you will not get that experience. And we have 1-2 minutes left. Guys, can gold close above here in this area? Can gold close above this area? I think that should be extremely good. That will be the extra confirmation. If gold can close above this range, that will be the extra confirmation for me. And you know what, guys? Oh, let me see. UJ pushing down. DJ no setup. The only setup that we have is on gold. Open cal. Market pending. Can we get a closure here in 30 seconds? Oh wow, man. So what is the high of this candle? 47.95. 47.95 mean I have to keep my... Alright. So yeah, man. All I need is the next candle to came down. Yeah, came down a little more. Came down a little more. Alright guys, so open trade. I have my buy stop here. This can be the win for the year, first win of the year. This can be the first loss of the year. No problem. Yeah. I see this opportunity and I am executing the trade on the opportunity. So yeah, man, we break the low one more time, so we should be good to go up. If we can break the high of this candle, we should be good to go up, and I will also manage the trade. If this candle get me in this trade, so let's see. Yeah, man, I think we should be good. So yeah, we should be good. Actually, you know what, guys? Let me again have my high of this candle, 95, 10. Alright, so 16. Alright, this is good. And I will have my stop loss 46. Alright, so modify and yeah, man. This is the trade, man. This is the trade. Let's see what happened? Can we take a first win of the year, or can we take a first loss of the year? This is in the hand of the probabilities. And like if we can keep our stop loss below the below the previous 15-minute candle, this is also this. So we have no chance for us. There is no chance for us to keep the stop loss anywhere else. And I think if we can break the high of the 30-minute candle, and you know what, guys, 1 hour is also so bullish. Yes, 1 hour is also close. 30 minutes. Yeah, everything is good, guys. Everything is good. Let me give you the price on the chat section. Buy stop at 2048.11. Buy stop at stop at 2048.11. And guys, this price is on the 8-cap broker. I don't know about your broker. And guys, leave a like on the stream, man. Leave a like. And we have to look at how this trade plays out. This can be the first win of the year. This can be the first loss of the year. And yeah, man, no problem. And stop loss is at, let me see the stop loss. Stop loss price is at, oh wow, we got in this trade. Oh man, I slipped a huge. Shit, man, slipped huge. Oh man, I think I have to avoid using buy stops. I have to avoid using, oh fuck man, slipped huge. Yeah, man. So let's see how this trade plays out. We are good on the 1 hour time frame, we are good on every time frame. And if this candle break its own low, I'll close half. I will close half of my position here. FN. How can I speak now? If we can break the low, I will close my half position here. And yeah, this is because we have to manage the risk, man. We have to manage the risk. If this candle break its own low, I'll close half. In this way, I will lose less than as I anticipated to lose. Yeah, my risk is 1%. Can we lower down our risk? This is the big question. Wow. So let's see, guys, let's see. Now this trade is in the hand of probabilities, because every trade we took is in the hand of probabilities. So guys, can you oh, stop loss. Yeah, let me give you the stop loss. Yeah, stop loss is below the previous 30-minute candle low. SL is below the previous 30-minute candle low. Guys, can you leave a like on the stream? I think that should be good. We have 13 people on the stream. Guys, can you leave a like on the stream? And as long as we are closing bullish, we have no problem. As long as we are closing bullish, we have no problem. Yeah, absolute no problem as long as we are closing bullish. And if any of the candle close bearish, I think I will just cut this trade here. I will cut the trade. If this candle break its own low, I'll close half. if this candle break its own low, yeah, if this candle break its own low, I'll close half. If it break the high one more time, break the high of the 1 hour candle, and one thing is, we still didn't break the high of the 1 hour candle. I think I can also, no, this is the 5 pips. So yeah, man, no problem. We can win this trade, we can lose this trade, man. Like, we see the opportunities before and we take the trades, and we see the opportunity with the same indicator, and that indicator called EYES, eyes. So let me, yeah guys, leave a like on the stream, that should be good. So let me open my streaming record, and let me, because now I will, if we can break the high one more time, I think we should be good to go up. All we need is candle to break the high. Oh wow, maybe we break the high, maybe we break the high. Can we break the high? Alright, we break the high. Can we break the high of the 4 hour candle, or of the previous 1 hour candle? Maybe we can. Maybe we break the high of the previous 1 hour candle high. So maybe we break the high of the previous candle high. Let me copy the link of today's stream and let me put this. So you know what, guys? I am closing this trade at break even. I close this trade at break even. Not feeling very good. I close this trade at break even. Yeah, world's best indicator, and world's best indicator also is mind. If you don't feel comfortable, this is a thing. What I was saying, yeah, close the trade at BE. Yeah, I close the trade at break even, man. Let's see what happened, man. No, I wasn't feeling good. Like, maybe this isn't. I don't know, man. I closed the trade at break even, and you still can close the trade at break even, because we are still above the range. We are still above. Yeah, price is like, look at this. Look at this, like, activates us, came down for 10 pips, again up, pushing down, pushing up, and we still didn't break the high of the 1 hour candle. So this is the thing that I was concerning, man. Why we are not breaking the high of the 1 hour candle? Why? Is there any reason? There may be a reason. So that is why I closed the trade at break even. So this is the first break even for me, man. First break even for me. Let me update the record. This is the first break even of the month. This is the first break even of the year. Total trades taken. Let me update the total trades taken record. Can we update the record? We can. Now that was the fourth break even. That was the fourth break even. Man, we still didn't break the high, man. And if you stick to the stream, and if you haven't left the stream after taking the trade, and if you were sticked with me, and if when I said, hey man, I closed the trade at break even, and if you close the trade with me, you should be good. And if you just come to the stream to take signals, man, if this candle may come down to this level, man, then it's up to you, man. I can't do anything. I can't help with that. You have to stick with me, man. I need some loyal friends. I need some loyal community. So guys, what was the, so let me update the record. So let me show you that how I am updating the record. So scene 2. Alright, so let's see, man. This is where I take the screenshot of this shit, and you can also see like we have yeah, I said this close the trade at break even, and what was that time in Pakistan? It was at 12 p.m. It was 12 p.m. Pakistan time, and let me, and date, what was the date? Today is 01 0 0 1 0 4 2024, and let me also, and man, we are still here to take one more trade. I'm not going anywhere. That was the goal. I am not going anywhere. That was a buy. Setup type was a breakout. Entry type was a sell replay. Actually, it was a break of the previous candle high. So let's do this shit. And man, the problem is this rejection. This is the rejection. Maybe when this candle was hesitating to break the high of this candle, I was like, man, why this candle is not breaking the high of the 1 hour candle? Maybe it don't want to break the high because previous candle is bearish. We are bearish for the day, and I'm not saying that we may enter in this trade on the next 15-minute candle. We may enter again in this trade on the next 15-minute candle. And you also have to understand, man, that was our break-even point. Where we took the trade, that was our break-even point. That rejection area was our break-even point. So, you know what? Let's see how this 15-minute candle closed. Time frame was 30-minute candle. Risk was 1%. Closed half 1 0 0 0 0 break even. Load size was, yeah, this is the thing that I'll do again. I'll do after. So go to the top overlay. So yeah, guys, that's it. This is how I manage my trade. I don't care how people managing their trade. If someone say, hey man, why you close this trade? Man, this is why I took this trade, because I feel comfortable. Why I close trade? Because I don't feel comfortable. So what? Man, I have my life, so let me take the decisions based on my experience. This is how I avoid losses, man, in my life. This is how I avoid losses on the streams. So guys, can you leave a like on the stream? Can you leave a like on the stream? I think that should be good if you can give the like on the stream. Look at this, man. Look at this shit. Oh, this is where I close my half trade. So like my half stop loss is done here. So that is why I said this. If this kind of can close a strong bearish, strong bullish, so what we can do, we can go for the above this rejection high. But man, this, so let's see what's going on the GJ, can you give us a trade? GJ, let's delete this. GJ, can you? Alright, so I think if this candle can close bearish, the next candle, the first 15-minute candle of the next candle close bearish, and the second 15-minute candle close bullish, I think we should be good to go up. Wow, what what I said here, man. I said we have 5 pips stop loss. You can take 20, 28, 29 pips trade, man. That was 1 to 5 risk to reward. Bro, why you are not listening to me? But that, like, if I take this trade, how can I elaborate this trade? There is no mean for me. There was no mean for me. How can I elaborate this trade? That was like crazy trade. That was like, man. I can't explain this trade. Like, yeah, I can say this, like, this is a fake out, and that was a fake out. But the problem was not a fake out. Problem wasn't a fake out. The problem that was here was, yeah, man, we can take this trade, but I don't think so. Like that was just, I was looking for a candle to close above this range. So what gold is doing? I think we can wait for the 30-minute candle to close. If 30-minute candle close bullish, we can take the trade on the next candle. Easy trade. We can take the trade on the next candle. We can take the easy trade on the next candle. No problem. No problem. GJ. Romario Shepherd. Wow. Wow. 530. Oh, alright. So on UJ, I have a plan on UJ. I have a big plan on UJ. Yeah, man, I have a big plan on UJ. So if this 30-minute candle can close bullish, we can take the trade on above this week high, above this week rejection. We can place our buy stop here, and I'll not use buy stop, man. Buy stops always slip me every time. Buy stop every time slip me. So man, look at, oh, there was trade history. Yeah, look at this, man. Look at this close. We were not breaking the high of this 1 hour candle on this rejection area that I explained before. Rejection area. So yeah, man, this is how I manage my risk. You have to manage your risk, man. If you take this trade on your own analysis, then it's up to you, man. If you don't, super money management. Yeah bro, this is the thing that I wanna show you this. Like, if you took this trade on your own analysis, then it's up to you, man. If you don't wanna manage this trade, it's up to you. But if you took this trade with me, you have to close the trade with me. You have to manage the trade with me. I said this, like, if this candle break the low, break its own low, I'll close half. Let's suppose if I don't close my trade here in this rejection area, I would close my half trade here. And in that way, if I hit my full TP or full stop loss, I would like secure 17 pips. I lose 13 full pips and 17 half pips. Like, my stop loss was 30 pips, and in that way I would lose like 20 pips, 22 pips. And in that way that I see nothing. Let's go to the history and let's go to the today. today. Yeah, I closed the trade at 1 pip. 1 pip in profit. Like I got in this trade at 2045, and man, listen, my buy stop was at 2048.11. I also slipped like huge, like 1.4 pips slip. This is not good. This is not a good sign. I want this candle to close bearish, the next candle to close bearish, and the next 15-minute candle to close a strong bullish. This is the thing that I like. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. This is very, very crazy. We don't know where we have to do what. Man, this candle opened up and just came down, man, without any reason. Just came down without any reason. So let me see the chat section. What chat is saying? Super money management, green bull, bro. You have to manage the trade always. This is the thing you have to always do. You have to always do this thing every day, every time you take the trade. Guys, leave a like, man. Leave a like, man. Leave a like. I don't know why people are not giving us a likes. And look at this, man. Where I closed the trade, it just came down for like 20 pips. And look at this rejection area that I said. Let's see, like this, like this. Let's go to the left hand side. Look at this rejection area on the 1 minute time frame, and this is all the rejections. Man, these are all the rejections. How we can take this trade? Yep. These are all the rejection areas. So, man. UJ. This is the previous 4-hour low. UJ previous daily candle is bullish, I think. Yeah, it is bullish. 4-hour is previous 4-hour is bullish. 1 hour is bearish, strong bearish. Yeah. 30-minute is a strong bearish. 15-minute is try to close bullish. But man, 4-hour bearish, 1 hour bearish, 30-minute bearish. We can take the trade only on the 15-minute time frame. Gold is pushing up. Gold is very hard to trade for today. Very hard to trade. So gold is pushing up. Extremely hard to trade. let's see how this shit plays out. Still, we didn't break the high of the 1 hour candle. We are very hesitant. For gold, it is very difficult to break the high of this rejection area. Very difficult for gold. So we have 3-4 minutes left for the candle to close. Yeah, you can see this, man. That was a break-even trade. And started the year on the live stream with the break-even is not too very bad, man. It is good. If someone was in the stream, in this trade, stuck in this trade one more time came up, man. If we see this from this price that 5 pips. We have 30-minute candle to close. So let me remove the trade history and let's see how this candle close. Oh, we still have. Oh, we have 1-2 minutes left for the candle to close. I think 28, 29. Yeah, we have 1 minute left for the candle to close. Let me see the. Guys, can anyone help me to? Oh, we break the high and the way we came down was crazy. We break the high and the way we came down, that was crazy. So, you know what I was about to do here. Yeah, can anyone help me to add the time on the stream? Guys, we have 8 likes and we have 13 people on the stream at one time, and we have our alright, 30-minute candle close. 30-minute candle close. It closed bullish. We don't have bottom wick yet. We may go for a trade, man. We may go for a trade. All we need is, oh man, bottom wick. Bottom wick. Can we get a bottom wick? 1 hour. Man, on a bearish day, we can take a trade here, man. Way above the support. Our last support is here, 34 pips away. No, on a bearish day, I can't take a trade here. Not possible for me. Absolutely not possible for me. Very, I don't know, man. Extremely hard to trade. The way we close was not ideal. 4 hour is pushing up 6 pips, stop loss 10, 11 pips. So yeah. So, oh, the 125. Man, I remember when I was trading. Oh shit, man. Look at this trade. When I was trading on the, when I was not trading, when I was investing on the crypto, Solana was at $8. $8. Crazy, man. And if someone bought a Solana at $8, just imagine at 120 his investment gone to like let me see, his investment 120 divided by 8, 15 times, man. Oh, look at gold, man. Look at gold. Why we were not looking for buys there? Because I said, man, this is way too above. And if oh right, so let me tell you one thing, man. Let me show you one thing that I show you before, but you haven't. Let's take this. Let's take this. Yeah, if we can come up, we can also reject from this area. And if we go here, this is another area of rejection. This is all rejection area. Look at this. This is all rejection area. Delete this. I think we need some sort of USD. Man, we are here on the stream for like for at least 2 more hours. We may get a trade here. We may get a trade here. So yeah, let me update. Alright, so let me complete my shit that I was doing on the streaming record. So alright, that is so good. Total is secure 0. That was absolute 0 piece. That was link here, buy or sell. That was a buy. That was a breakout. Breakout. Alright. That was on the 30-minute time frame. And yeah, risk was 1%, and let's go to the left hand side, and lot size was 0. Lot size was $0.16. Yeah, $0.16. Account up or down, nothing. Just 0%. No up, no down. Trade outcome is like we have $1.60, but I will have like $0. Because like, man, what we have to do to find like $1? Key points of the trade. Yeah, man, why we took this trade, why we closed this trade. These are all the key points. Plan was to trade how much piece? Yeah, plan was to take like 30 piece, 1 to 1 here. What was, no, plan was take like 47 pips. No man, 1 to 1, 30 pips. And it plays out for so yeah, we will so like not even 10 pips. So yeah, we will see like what it will do. Like it will it break our will it let me see, it is pushing up, so we will see like if it can come up to this area, these area rejection. Yeah, 1 to 1. There is 1 to 1. My stop loss was 30 pips, and we have 30 pips here. So yeah, if we have to look at this thing, if this thing can come up to this level first, or if this thing can come down to this level first. And I think we can also put buy position on the trading view to look at either we manage this trade a good or not. Because one more push towards the upside. If someone is in the trade and if someone just take a signal and if someone just take a signal, so running is 15 pips. Holy shit, man. We would be up like 10 pips now. Crazy. It was crazy. So yeah man, no problem. It is crazy. Yeah, it is crazy. I put the so let me show you this. I put this position and we will and I put the buy TP here, this area, and I'll show you tomorrow on the stream either it hit my TP or either it hit my SL. And we can also move our SL to this level now, like here. Like if we can come down, break the low of these candles, that means we are pushing down. We don't have to go up, we have to go down. And yeah, that's it. We have to go down. Madina Pak Galiyan, Madina Pak Galiyan. So yeah, let's see man. So gold is very ordinary, uneven moves. Man guys, you can see like gold is not moving like it moved. It is moving like some like US30 move. The way US30 move, it is moving like US30. Look at the US30 man. Break out, candle close with no wick at the top, the next time come down. US30 is also crazy. Like I used to trade on US30 and I was like, man, US30 is good, US30 is crazy, but US30 is just a bullshit. And you know what guys, I have to change the streaming name. Like we have XAUUSD, GBPJPY and USD JPY. Yeah, I'll add USD JPY here. I think, oh, gold. Gold is pushing up. Gold. 30 pips stop loss. 12, 13 pips move here. But man, we have to look at this shit. Either it can hit this area first or hit this area first. This is the question. Why I didn't get into this trade? Now you can get the reason. Why I didn't get into this trade on the break of this candle high. Now you can get this reason. UJ, look at this, man. I wasn't looking for the trade here. Oh, I think we break the low of the 4-hour candle. Alright, so we break the low. Now let's see where we have to look for sells. So I'm looking for sells below this area on the UJ. Alright guys, we have the opportunity on the UJ. We don't have any opportunity on GJ. Oh wow, we close below this range. Yeah. We have the opportunity on UJ. Can we get a closure below this range? Let's see if we can get a closure. Oh, And if you are still in this trade, how you can manage the risk? If you can't move your stop loss to break even now, no. If the next candle came down, create a bottom wick, break the high, move your stop loss to break even. If you break the if you break your stop loss to break even now, it means you are oh wow. Can we get a bottom? Can we get a bottom wick here? Can we get a bottom wick here on the top wick for the next candle? Because we can't use this stop loss. We can't use that stop. Oh, we need a top wick. Alright, so look at the gold, what I said. Like, we got a bottom wick. If this candle breaks the high of this candle now, you can move your stop loss to break even. Yeah, this is a bottom wick. 25. Where? Oh, alright, so let me show you that. Alright, here was the trade, here was our trade. And, alright, so that was the thing. So yeah, if this candle flip bullish, break the high of this candle, move your stop loss to break even. And we will do this on our let me also look at the UJ. UJ, good, UJ, good. So how much is the top wick now? 4, 5 pips. A good top wick, man. A reasonable top wick. Yeah. We can also wait for like 1 hour candle to close. If 1 hour candle can close, man, just imagine if we can get sell play here, this candle close weak bullish, and the next candle come up to create a top wick, and we have our sell stop here. That will be the target area. Oh man, that would be good. That would be good. Oh wow, this shit is pushing down on towards our entry point. Let's see. Yeah, if this candle can now break the high, previous candle high, you can move your stop loss to break even. then there is no mean for this candle to break its own low one more time, because it got a good bottom wick. Or if this candle came all the way down like this candle, close bearish, I'll go for a salute play. Definitely I'll go for a trade. Yeah, on the proper setup. Because for me the problem area is here. So if this candle can come down, even more come down and close bearish, I can go for a buy. Yeah, I can go for a buy. Oh yeah, man. On the London Open. And we all know London Open has a huge volume every day. And UJ, yeah, man, we can have our like sell stop here, but it is not about the sell stop, man. So let me show you this. It is not about the sell stop. It is about like we will go with the higher confirmation. How much we will lose this? If someone wanna take the 2% risk, he can go with the one lot. Just imagine if someone take a trade with a sell limit, and if he is and his stop loss is like not too bad, and his TP is like good TP. So let's see, like his stop loss was there. Oh, $40. This is my risk, man. $40. And if he close his trade here, $200, 1 to 5 RR, man. This is what I said. You can go for a trade for sells here, and you can target this area. So gold. If this candle can close bearish, I think we can go for a trade. And let me see the chat section, what people are saying. 15 minutes celebrate on gold would be nice at London Open. Yeah, man, I'm also looking for same, man. Bro, Green Bull, man, I think your anticipation, and I think you will be good, man. Yeah. You made some good decisions every time. Guys, can you leave a like on the stream? And I will also like change the streaming name from tomorrow. It will be like US30. We will not include the US30. Actually, you know what? Forex trading live stream 211 to run a session XAUUSD GBPJPY US30. No, we will have like Euro USD. I also have to add Euro USD, man. Alright, so yeah, 15 minute salary play. I'm also looking for this thing, 15 minute salary play. So yeah, the question is, can we get a salary play? There is a rule for salary play. If you know that rule, that candle body should be smaller than the candle wick. Should be smaller than the candle wick. Now candle body is 12 pips. We need a 7-8 pip wick, bottom wick, and 3, 4, 5 pips. Oh man, look at this. UJ is just pushing up. UJ is, oh, your USB gives people 1-to-1. Oh, 1-to-1. But I am not looking for buys. If this candle can come up, touch this area and create a resistance, I'll go for a sell. Man, I know if you were on the stream yesterday, you would definitely know I had my sell stop here. But as this candle break the high of this candle, I delete that sell stop, and I was like, yeah, man, maybe this is not the time for your USD to come down, but it break the low and came all the way down, and I was like, man, what the heck is going on? Why this shit is moving down? Without giving me anything, like, man, I was interested for this thing, for Euro USD to take the trade, but man, it is what it is. It is what it is. So gold. Because you have to understand one thing, and that is like, if this candle close a strong bearish, that means 30-minute candle is closing like this. And if the 30-minute candle is closing like this, we can't take a buy. Like, what weak bodies candle mean? If a weak body candle is a bullish candle, that means we have less volume for the bullish candle. If a weak body is a bearish candle, look at this bearish candle, man. That means we have a less volume for the bearish candle. We have a less bearish volume, and the next candle came up. Look at this strong bearish candles. We were coming down. Man, that news candle was crazy. It didn't give me anything, man. This news candle. So the question is same, man. Oh, let's remove this line, man. Let's remove this line. So yeah, question is same, man. Can we get a weak bearish candle? Weak bearish candle mean we have less volume for the we have less bearish volume, and we have more volume for the bullish. Oh wow, this is what I was anticipating. Let's see if this candle can close above this range, then we can go for this trade. But we have to, man, this is the thing that I was looking for. Candle came down and touch this area, and I think sometimes we can take the trade here. Just to anticipate, we have to go up. Yeah, man, I think we can do this too, because I know we have to create and let's see, like, we see a candle that closed above the support, right at the support. So I was like, yeah, man, just take a buy, but we don't have any sell stop. This is the stop loss, not sell stop. This is the only problem. We don't have any stop loss. So problem isn't the where is the daily? Daily starts from here. Yes, alright. Oh shit, man. Look at the gold. No salary play. Gold is not try to give us a salary play. Actually, gold don't wanna give us anything. Yeah, it goes for like 14 pips. So yeah, plan was to take 30 pips, but it only goes for like 14 pips. So man, can you tell me about your strategy and stuff, like how you take like 100 pips trade and how you hold that trade and on which time frame you take the trades? Oh man. Yeah, bro, Green Bull. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, leave a like on the stream. Guys, leave a like on the stream, man. Leave a like on the stream. सही कहता है जो मेरी कस आ रही है एक जो मैं खज्जल जा रहे थे थोड़ा गुस्सा जा रहा है तेरा तेरा बड़ा बड़ा कि तैनू क्या यार ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਾਂ 5-700 ਕਿੱਲਾ ਹੈ ਕਿੱਲਾ ਕਰਵਾ ਦੋ So man, we are waiting. We are waiting. So yeah, man, we can't play the song. Get a copyright claim from the. Alright, guys. So let me show you this. So there is no salary play on the gold. There is no salary play on gold. GJ. Oh shit. And GJ. How much range we have? 10 pips. UJ. No stop loss. Can we get a bottom wick on UJ? If we can get a bottom wick, I'll go for the trade. If we can get a bottom wick on UJ, I will definitely go for a trade. All I want from this candle to break the low, break its own low one more time. Not one more time, just one time. I want just this thing. Yeah, can this candle break the low? Because in that way we'll get a bottom wick here. Yeah, man. Maybe we can. Oh wow, maybe we can. Yeah, maybe we can. Maybe we can. If we can break the low, got a bottom wick, I will place a buy stop here. I will place my buy stop here. I will definitely place my buy stop here. Can we get a bottom wick? We need only bottom wick here. Everything else is just done, man. Now we have a onion play. We have everything. Oh, we break the high. Shit, man. We break the high. can we break the low, man? If we can break the low now and then again break the high, I am also looking for this trade because we have a good range. What I always said, like, man, if we have a good range, we shouldn't care about the entry, like 2 pips problem, 3 pip problem. No. So actually the only problem with the GJ is range. 12 pip range, 18, 19 pip stop loss. Gold is nothing on gold. Let's see how the 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour close bearish. Yeah, man. That's it. UJ, can you give us a bottom wick here? If you can give us a bottom wick, I think I'll be happy to. Yeah, all I want is a bottom wick. Then we will have a buy stop here with like 13, 14 pip stop loss. We will go up. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So, yeah. All we have to do is to wait. Because if we take the trade now, man, that would be the risky trade. Are you looking for a risky trade? I'm not looking for a risky trade. If you are looking for a risky trade, man, then what can I do? Is there any fault for me? No, nothing. So, string record, key point. The key point for this trade was So, let me tell you the key point, why we closed the trade, what happened, how, like look at this. When we started the stream, we were like, man, if we can get a closure here in this area, and we should be good if we can get a closure here, so that will be the partial TP. But what happened? The thing that happened is we got a trade here where we were looking for our break-even point, and like it slipped me like 1.5 pips, and then it came right below towards the downside, like 7-8 pips. Then it came up, break, then came down. When it came up, I was like, yeah, now it will break the high. Now it will break the high of this rejection. Now it will break the high of this rejection. But what happened? It didn't break the high. And I was like, man, maybe we just reject from this area. So I just made a good decision here. What I did, I just closed my trade at break even, and then it came down for 19-20 pips. Then this candle break the high of, it didn't break the high of this rejection, but it closed bullish, and this candle came all the way down. Then it came up, but that was uneven moves. But the thing is, I think today is a difficult day for trading, not a very good day. UJ also have no bottom wick, and if it move up, it move up. and we didn't see a huge London volume till yet. Maybe we see a volume, London volume after on the next 15-minute candle, or the candle that will open on the next. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Look at this candle. It closed right at the support. It closed right at the support, man. Technically it closed right at the support. So I will not speak for the next 2 minutes. The trade. And for gold, gold is doing nothing, absolute nothing. Gold is doing nothing. UJ, can this UJ candle, we have 3 minutes left. We have 4 minutes left for the candle to close. 4 minutes left for the candle to close. And guys, sorry for background noise. Just bear this for 2 days. Yeah. Let's go 30 minutes ellipse unless it's not what he's saying. What he's saying. He's saying let's go 30 minutes ellipse unless the previous candle low. Bro, it break the previous candle low. So what? So what now? Tell me what we can do now. I don't think so we can do anything now. So guys, we don't have anything, we have to accept it. When we have nothing, we have to accept it. I'm not saying I am going to end the stream. I am here on the stream for 30 minutes salad day. Was that a 30-minute salad day? No, that wasn't a 30-minute salad day. Yeah, guys, we have to wait. We have to. Holy shit! If this kinda can pull back, maybe I go for this trade. If it can pull back, we have. Yeah, we have 2-3 minutes left. 2-3 minutes left. Let's see, man. Let's see how this kind of close. Euro USD trade. If this kind of can come up, next kind of can close bearish, I'll go for the sell in this range. Oh, technically it didn't break the low of the 30-minute candle. Yeah, it didn't. It did break the low of the 15-minute candle, but it didn't break the low of the 30-minute candle. Yeah, we may see a trade here. We may see a trade here. So let me. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh God. Why I can't? Why I can't use XP? Then there's a problem with my. Not problem like there is a. Let me see. So we have kind of close. Can we get a bottom wick? Because the previous time the problem was the bottom wick. No, no, no. This is not a bottom wick. This is just a joke. Yeah, man. This is just a joke. This is not a bottom wick. Can we get a bottom wick? This is just a joke. Oh shit. One more time. One more time. This shit is pushing up. Fuck off, man. Everything is moving like I can't say anything, man. I am just like I don't know what's happening here. Like this kinda has no bottom wick, just pushing up. I don't know why. Oh, we may have a news. We may have a news. 115, yeah. We have a new Spanish PMI. So yeah, maybe because of that. But that was a Euro news. Euro has to. Oh yeah, man, Euro moved. It just has to impact Euro. 6 pips. Euro moved 6.5 pips. So yeah, that was a beautiful trade, man. Well, it's stop loss. 30 pips. Profit area. Previous daily is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. If we can break the high of the 1 hour, that means we should be good to go up. We break the high of the 30-minute time frame. But on this trade, we don't have the stop loss because we can't use this stop loss. 26 pips. No, absolutely not, man. UJ is a very slow pair. How we can use a stop loss on that kind of slow pair? So yeah, man, we have to accept it. We have to accept it. What we have to accept? We have to accept, man. Today we have some uneven moves. And one thing is, I am still not ending the stream. I'm still hunting for a trade. Maybe if we can get a, maybe below this area. Who knows, man? Who knows? Maybe below this area. Yeah. Maybe I take the trade on this area. Yep, that's it. And what we'll have, like, yeah, this is good, like 28, 29 pips range. So yeah, maybe I look for the buys here. This shit should be running like 5, 6 pips here. 13 pips stop loss. The whole target for this trade, no, I think that is the entry point. There we'll have 13 pips. Yeah, that is the stop loss. So let's see, is this area smashed first or this area smashed first? This is just a paper trade, not even a paper trade. So if we can get a closure below this range, that means this current 4-hour candle will close bearish. Oh no, man. This 4-hour candle will still be bullish here. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour looks good. 1 hour looks good. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. Man, everything is crazy today. Everything is crazy today. Yeah. Crazy. Oh, GJ. But we have like very less range. No bottom wick on this candle. This is just pushing out. This is whatsoever, no problem. But that was a problem. We have to somehow get into this trade. That was extremely beautiful because we have a range, man. We have a range. on the left hand side and clean range. And there is a rejection on the 5-minute time frame. We close above that rejection. Yeah. If this candle can come up, break the low, I think we should be good to go up to this level. Gold. Our stream is like 2.5 hours and we are still struggling. Oh, let me, which broker you are using, and Think Markets or any other, answer my question. Bro, I'm using 8cap, but I think Market broker is extremely good broker, very good broker. I like that because of very low spreads, but the slippage on Think Markets is crazy. You have to just like, if you are looking for trade, you can't use buy stop or sell stop. You can only take the trades on market, what we say. Oh wow, you can only take market executions. This thing now should be like 9 pips. Here we will get stop loss will be like 13 pips. It is like 12, 13, between 12 and 13 pips. Now we should be like, oh, 9 pips, 9.5 pips, 9.7 pips. Yeah, man, we were looking for like a little more wick, man. A little more, not a very big wick. Now we should be up like, I think 10 pips. Yeah, 10 pips. Easy 10 pips, easy. So, GJ, gold, nothing. All we have to do is to wait. So man, 10 pips, it was 10 pips. I don't know, like, now you can like move your stop loss to break even, because we hit the 10 pip mark here and our stop loss was not too big. what we have to do now, so let's see, guys. Let's see, man. So everything is covered in recording. Okay. So man, what we have to do now? We have to wait. We have 1 minute left for the 30-minute candle to close. 30-minute candle looks like try to close bullish, but we are below this range in this rejection area. Now this is no trade range for us. Absolute no trade range for us. So you know what, guys? So yeah. Oh wow, this candle turned into bearish candle. So that is why I said, like, man, we have nothing for now. All we have to do is wait. Yeah, all we have to do is wait. So man, we are doing nothing. We are just waiting. UJ pushing up. UJ is just pushing up. Oh, look at GJ, man. What I said, like, we have very small range, 10, 12 pips. Yeah, we can get 10, 12 pips, but that was risky, 10, 12 pips. So now we have this area. There is this area. This will be the partial TP for us. If we can get a top. Oh, no. This is nothing. Let's delete this. Yeah, that will be the partial TP for us if we can get a closure above this range. And yeah, if we can get a closure above this range, that will be the partial TP. And if we can get a closure below this range, I think we should be good to go for sell. We should be good. And I'm still here, guys. I'm still here. I'm not the same guy who was in 2023. I just like end the stream. No, man. Now we will do the stream for like 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. Ah, man, 5 hours. US30 CAD GBPJPY. Oh, wow, CAD was good. Actually, it was. is good. Maybe it is not. So what we are looking for? What we are looking for? Yeah, man, let's see. NDF. This is not our pair, man. Nasdaq or US30. These are just bullshit pairs. And we don't trade in bullshit pairs. Not at all, man. These are the worst pairs if you wanna trade on. If this 1 hour candle can close below this range. Oh, let me tell you one thing. What I said, we can see a move towards the upside in first 2 candles of the 4 hour candle, and we will see a move towards the downside in the next 2 candles or in the last candle of the 1 hour or in the 4 hour candle. Now you can ask like, hey bro, from where you राजा जी के बाल जड़े बहुत खराब हो गए हैं। राजा जी जड़े बाल ने ना पैन में सिरी खाने कोई बाले खराब हो गए हैं बाले। Oh no no, oh wow. Alright, so I'm still here on the stream. I'm not going anywhere. Still here on the stream. Not going anywhere. So what we are doing here, man? We are waiting. Yeah. We are waiting for. Oh wow! Wow! It hit the TP area. 14 pips. 14 pips. Man, that was the trade that we should take. अच्छा जी. Man, we can. Shit, man. Shit, shit. Shit, man. Shit, shit. Now, that was the thing. I said this. If this candle can close below the range, we'll go for a buy or we'll go for a sell. This candle closed well bullish. So I was like, yeah, we have a buy here. All we need is a bottom wick. This candle came up, then it came down to create a bottom wick, and then I was like, yeah, I can take a buy here, but I need a bottom wick. But we have like 1 pip bottom wick, 1 pip bottom wick. I like that, man. I like that, man. I like that, man. Where we have, oh man, can I use, so, oh, oh, what the hell is this? Fuck off. So man, that is one-to-one trade. That was one-to-one trade, but unfortunately we didn't get into this trade. It is what it is, man. So what?